Discover the secrets to configuring Claude for efficient data retrieval in RAG pipelines, enhancing your AI-driven application's performance and accuracy. Master the skills to fine-tune Claude settings for superior retrieval results. Did you know that Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, is revolutionizing how AI systems retrieve and generate data? In today's fast-paced digital world, RAG is a crucial component that enhances the performance and accuracy of AI applications by combining retrieval and generation. Claude, a state-of-the-art AI, plays a pivotal role in these pipelines. In this video, we'll take you through the essentials of optimizing Claude for enhanced data retrieval, ensuring your AI-driven solutions perform at their best. From basic configurations to advanced settings, we've got it all covered. So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of RAG and Claude. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, is a cutting-edge AI approach that combines data retrieval with generation, creating a hybrid model that enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of data-driven applications. At its core, RAG integrates two primary components: a retrieval model that searches for relevant information and a generative model that processes and outputs the data. This synergy allows systems to pull in accurate and contextually relevant data, dramatically improving the results compared to traditional methods. Think of RAG as a smart assistant that not only finds the needed information but also presents it in an optimal format. Real-world applications of RAG are vast, ranging from customer service chatbots to advanced research tools, and its potential continues to grow. By understanding RAG, you're not only tapping into a current trend but also paving the way for future innovations in AI.
Meet Claude, a robust AI tool designed to enhance the retrieval component of RAG pipelines. Claude excels in identifying and fetching precise data, which is then used by generative models to produce accurate and contextually appropriate outputs. Its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities make Claude a preferred choice for many AI-driven applications. By integrating Claude into RAG pipelines, organizations can significantly improve data accuracy and retrieval speed. For instance, in customer service, Claude can rapidly gather relevant information to assist in crafting personalized responses. Moreover, its adaptability allows for seamless integration into various systems, making it a versatile asset in any AI toolkit. Whether you are dealing with large datasets or require quick information retrieval, Claude's role in RAG pipelines cannot be overstated. Getting started with Claude is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail to ensure optimal performance. Begin by setting up Claude on your system, ensuring all necessary dependencies are installed. The interface is user-friendly, designed to guide you through the initial configuration steps. Start with setting the basic parameters, such as the data source paths and access credentials. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the interface, which offers intuitive navigation through different settings and options. Initial settings, such as data indexing and retrieval thresholds, play a vital role in performance. Avoid common beginner mistakes like overlooking data quality checks or setting overly restrictive search parameters, which can hinder Claude's efficiency. By following these steps, you'll lay a solid foundation for Claude's operation, readying it for more complex tasks. Once you're comfortable with the basic setup, it's time to explore Claude's advanced settings to optimize data retrieval further. Start by diving into the retrieval algorithms, where you can fine-tune parameters to match your specific data needs. Custom data filters are incredibly useful, allowing you to narrow down searches based on predefined criteria. This not only speeds up the retrieval process but also enhances accuracy. Additionally, leveraging Claude's machine learning capabilities can significantly improve results. By training Claude on historical data, you can tailor its retrieval patterns, making it more effective over time. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process, requiring regular adjustments and monitoring to achieve the best outcomes. Integrating Claude into your existing systems can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be a smooth and rewarding process. Begin by assessing your current infrastructure to ensure compatibility. Claude is designed to work with a wide range of tools and platforms, but understanding your specific environment is crucial. Follow best practices for integration, such as incremental implementation and thorough testing at each stage. Customizing Claude to fit your specific workflows can greatly enhance its utility, allowing for a more personalized and efficient data retrieval process. Be prepared to face integration challenges, such as data format inconsistencies or network issues, and have a strategy in place to address them promptly. With careful planning and execution, Claude can become a valuable part of your data ecosystem. Even the most robust systems can encounter issues, and Claude is no exception. Common problems users face include data retrieval errors, slow performance, and integration hiccups. Start troubleshooting by identifying the specific issue and consulting Claude's extensive documentation for guidance. A step-by-step approach to diagnosing and resolving problems is crucial. Utilize available resources, such as online forums and support communities, to seek assistance and share experiences. To prevent future issues, implement regular maintenance routines and keep Claude updated with the latest patches and improvements. By proactively addressing potential problems, you can ensure Claude operates smoothly and efficiently. Real-world applications of Claude provide valuable insights into its capabilities and potential. In healthcare, Claude has been instrumental in retrieving patient data efficiently, aiding in accurate diagnosis and treatment plans. By optimizing data access and processing, hospitals have seen improved patient outcomes and reduced operational costs. In the financial sector, Claude has streamlined data analysis, enabling quicker and more accurate decision-making and investment strategies. These case studies highlight the importance of tailored implementation strategies and the role of thorough training and support in achieving success. The lessons learned from these examples can be adapted to other industries, demonstrating Claude's versatility and effectiveness across various sectors.
As technology continues to evolve, so too does the landscape of retrieval augmented generation and tools like Claude. Emerging trends in RAG technology include the integration of more sophisticated machine learning algorithms and the expansion of RAG applications to new fields. Claude's capabilities are expected to grow, offering even more precise and efficient data retrieval solutions. The potential impact on AI-driven industries is significant, with improvements in areas such as customer service, research, and data analysis. However, as RAG technology advances, the role of AI ethics becomes increasingly important, ensuring responsible and fair use of these powerful tools. By staying informed and adapting to these trends, you can position yourself at the forefront of innovation with Claude.
As we wrap up this deep dive into optimizing Claude for enhanced data retrieval, remember that mastering these strategies is a journey, not a destination. Continual learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving AI landscape. We invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below, fostering a community of learning and growth. Don't forget to explore additional resources to deepen your understanding. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, and share it with others who might benefit. Together, let's unlock the full potential of Claude and RAG pipelines.